looking at your body. Goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can stroke it easy, or you can get that pounded.
Yo, baby. Let me take you over here to the other side.
I think you'd have.
Hey y'all, hey. Y'all doing okay? How your mama now? Alright. Y'all remember how I used to do a whole bunch? I'm talking about I was putting out a lot of hair review videos on my channel. I'm back and I'm in effect giving y'all more of those videos. Frodio sent me over a wig to review, and you already know I'm gonna review it for you. You know that, right? All right, so let's get into the packaging first. I love this packaging. The bags are okay, but the boxes, they really do it for me. So let's get into what comes with this wig, because y'all already know these wig companies love giving us goodies to go along with the hair. So first of all, you're going to get a little pamphlet that lets you know that you can earn $20 credit, letting us know that, you know, the reviews, the after sale promises, the hassle-free returns, we love that. Also comes with a little edge brush, and y'all, I needed another one of these. And this little rat tail piece on here is metal, so again, we love that. It does come with a clip. I love this, and it's a sturdy clip. Y'all know I got thick hair, so this is really sturdy. I can use this on my natural hair. It also does come with the wig cap, standard, you know, standard little wig cap with the 2 pieces in. And then let's get into the wig. Put that down right there. So I'm going to put up a picture of what the wig looks like so you guys can see exactly how it does look. And this is it out of the packaging. She's really soft. I can run my fingers through it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a synthetic human hair blend. And this is what the lace looks like. You can see my red nails right there through it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. I already had a wig cap on, y'all. Because if you stay ready, you ain't never got to get ready. So I keep a wig cap on, just in case, because I love me a good half wig. So, all right, you guys, this is giving very much Rick James, very much Donna Summer. So what I want to do is, and I'm going over here into my little hair bucket. I saw this girl on TikTok. She actually pulled it to the side like this, I think. She flipped it to the side, so the part was on the side, and you can see the part right there. That's where the part at. And she teased it out with the comb. And I love big hair, so when I saw her tease it out with the comb, if I can find her TikTok, I will link it, and I will also include it in this video so I can give her credit, because the way she teased this wig out, oh, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. And since it is a little part right there, I'll do it like that. Oh, she was on to something. Hold on. She ate with that. Cause what? Huh? Hello? Amen. Okay. Okay, she ate with that. She ate with saying to tease the curls out, because, yeah. Baby, we just went from Rick James to Diana Ross. So, yeah. Frodio. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me go off camera and put on my little earrings and change this lip, because this lip is not, it's not enough for what this hair is giving. So give me a minute. That's more like it. Yes. Put on a nice vampy lip. Got on my gold hoops. This is really giving me everything and more. And I showed my mom my hair, and she said this is giving her Donna Summers. And I must admit, I agree. This is giving Donna Summers. So yes, Frodio, you did your big one. The hair is very, very soft. And like I said, it's a human synthetic blend, but it's very, very soft. It gives you human hair with how soft it is. And you saw how easy the curls were to comb out. And even before I combed the curls out, you saw how my fingers were just running through the hair. I mean, even with it combed out, my fingers are just running through the hair. I mean, it's teased a little bit, so it's a little, you know, but my fingers are still running through the hair. So, and I feel like maybe I'm not gonna try it because I like big hair, but I feel like maybe you could use like mousse to tame back the curls to how they were. But this right here, how big it is giving me everything and more. And I told y'all that young lady on TikTok, she reviewed this wig, and I saw her combing out, and I said, baby, I'm gonna try that because that's big hair and I love big hair. So some more specs that I forgot to tell y'all is that it does have a comb in the back and then 2 combs on the side, so you don't have to worry about trying to, you know, pin anything down or stick anything down, because the combs will get you. And I have 2 cornrows currently in my hair, so that helps with sticking everything down. And plus, most of the time when I put the combs in, my hair be good to go. It does feel very snug. I think that this is because I have a big head, y'all know I have said before I have a Georgia dome, so this is definitely big head girl friendly, because as y'all can see, the wig is definitely all the way down on my head. And then again, the little goodies that it comes with. The box within itself is a goodie to me, because anytime a wig come with boxes, I just feel like that's luxury. That's luxurious, because the box is sturdy. You can put it in a box. Love it. And then of course I needed another little edge brush, so I'm happy about that. And then, you know, standard, it comes with the wig caps, just in case you don't have a wig cap. But as y'all saw, before I put the wig on, I already had a wig cap, because you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. So I will leave the link down to this wig below, and I will also have it in my TikTok showcase. Y'all go follow me on TikTok. If you have not followed me on TikTok and Instagram, go follow me there. If ever I'm not on my YouTube channel, which I haven't been on my YouTube channel for a minute, but I'm coming back, I promise. And I'm going to be continuing that beginner series. But if ever I'm not on YouTube, I'm over there on TikTok and Instagram doing my thug thizzle. So make sure that you guys go over there and follow me. All of the usernames will be linked down below, as well as, you know, on our channels. We have everything linked up in our channel. Y'all can go follow me. Go find me. Okay? Go find me. I want to say thank you guys for taking your time out. That was some fluff from my backdrop, but I want to say thank you guys for taking your time out to watch my video, check out this hair. Again, I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with the jump off. If you are a millennial, you already know where that little slang came from, that little slogan came from, that little ad lib came from. You know where it came from if you're a millennial. But I want to say thank you guys for bearing with me as I'm pushing out content, because I will be dropping more content to come. Again, thank you to Frodio for sending me over this beautiful unit to review for all my little babies on my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. All right, you guys. Peace.
looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite.